वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब लोग। पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को स्ट्रैटेजिक फार्मूलेशन के दो टॉपिक के बारे में बताया था, जहां फर्स्ट था बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी एंड सेकंड था फंक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजी। बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी के टॉपिक को हम लोगों ने पिछले ही दो वीडियो में कवर कर लिया। नाउ अब हम लोग फंक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजी के टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। फंक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजी वेरियस फंक्शन से रिलेटेड स्ट्रैटेजिक फॉर्मूलेशन को कवर किए हुए हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल मार्केटिंग, फिनांस, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट, प्रोडक्शन एंड रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजिक फॉर्मूलेशन, जिसका नाम है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजिक फॉर्मूलेशन। सबसे पहले हम लोग मार्केटिंग के मीनिंग को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। Marketing. This is an activity that creates certain exchange relationship among those who are willing and able to buy, sell products, services, satisfaction, and even ideas. Some example of marketing decision that may require special attention that affect the success or failure of strategic implementation. The first one is the kind of distribution network to be used, the amount and the extent of advertising, whether to be price leader or price follower, whether to offer complete or limited warranty. Now आइए समझते हैं मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ एनालाइजिंग मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी, सेलेक्टिंग टारगेट मार्केट, डेवलपिंग द मार्केटिंग मिक्स एंड मैनेजिंग द मार्केटिंग एफर्ट्स। आइए समझते हैं मार्केटिंग मिक्स। सेट अप कंट्रोलेबल मार्केटिंग वेरिएबल that the firm plans to produce the responses it wants in the target market. Target market consists of everything that the firm can do to influence the demand for a product. What are these marketing mix? Marketing mix covers marketing variable. First step, product. Product means goods and services combination that the company offers to the target market. एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को मैनेज करना और टाइम टू टाइम न्यू वन को ऐड करते रहना और फेल्ड प्रोडक्ट को ड्रॉप करते रहना, इन सब के लिए स्ट्रैटेजीज की जरूरत होती है। ब्रांडिंग, पैकेजिंग, अदर प्रोडक्ट फीचर जैसे कि वारंटी से रिलेटेड भी स्ट्रैटेजिक डिसीजन लेने चाहिए। सेकंड है प्राइस। प्राइस स्टैंड फॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी कस्टमर्स हैव टू पे टू ऑब्टेन द प्रोडक्ट। प्राइस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट वैल्यू utility to the customer, its demand, quality, reliability, safety, competition it faces and desired profit का composite expression होता है। Next है place. Place stand for company's activities that make the product available to target consumer. चैनल के मैनेजमेंट के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी लेते रहने चाहिए। The decision to utilize a particular marketing channel or channel sets the pattern of operation of sales force. Next है promotion. Promotion stand for activities that communicate the merit of product and persuade target consumer to buy. आइए समझते हैं promotion के एलिमेंट। The first one is advertisement, second है personal selling, third है sale promotion and last है publicity. आइए समझते हैं advertisement. Advertising is non-personal, highly flexible and dynamic promotional media for advertisement are pamphlets, newspaper, magazine, radio, TV and internet. Choice of appropriate media is important for effectiveness of the message. Next is personal selling. It involves face-to-face interaction of sales force with the prospective customer and provide a high degree of personal attention to them. Personal selling suffers from a very high cost. They can physically attend only one customer at a time. Next is sale promotion. Sale promotion is an omnibus term that includes all activity like discount, contest, money refund and installment. Sale promotion periodically done may help in getting a larger market share to an organization. And last is publicity. Publicity is a communication of a product, brand or business by placing information about it in the media without paying for the time or space directly. For example, press release. आइए समझते हैं expanded marketing. The first one is people. All human actors who play a part in delivery of the market offering and thus influences the buyer's perception, namely the firm's personnel and the customer. Next step, physical evidence. The environment in which the marketing offering is delivered and where the firm and customer interact. And last step, process. The actual procedure, mechanism and flow of activities by which the product and services is delivered. आइए समझते हैं मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी टेक्निक्स। The first one is social marketing. It refers to the design, implementation and control of programs seeking to increase the acceptability of a social ideas, cause or practice among a target group. Example, publicity campaign for prohibition of the smoking. Next is augmented marketing. It is a provision of additional customer service and benefit built around the year and actual products that relate to interaction of high-tech services like movies on demand, online computer repair services and secretarial services. Next is direct marketing. Marketing through various advertising media that interact directly with consumers. It includes catalog selling, mail, telecommuting, electronic marketing and TV shopping. Next is relationship marketing. The process of creating, maintaining and enhancing a strong value-added relationship with customers and other stakeholders. Example, airlines offers special lounges at major airports for frequent flying. Next is service marketing. Applying the concept, tools, techniques of marketing to service. Next is person marketing. Person marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitude or behavior towards particular people. Next is organization marketing. It consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitude and behavior of target audience towards an organization, whether profit or non-profit organization. Next is place marketing. Place marketing involves activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitude and behavior towards particular people. Example, tourist marketing. Next is differential marketing. A market coverage strategy in which a firm decides to target several market segments and design separate offer for each. So, यह था कॉन्सेप्ट मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजिक फॉर्मुलेशन का। आज की इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे नए स्ट्रेटजिक फॉर्मुलेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बी सेफ एंड बी केयरफुल। गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू।